Okay, we're going to look at how to draw factor trees. Factor trees are a good way of finding the prime factors of a number. So we're going to have a go at drawing the factor tree of 20. Okay, so I'm going to write 20 at the top. Okay, then I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to make 20. Something times something equals 20. Maybe I'm going to go for 5 times 4 equals 20. So there's my 20. I'm going to split that into 5 and 4. Now I want something times something equals 5. 5 is a prime number, so I can't do that one. Okay, can I come up with something times something equals 4? 2 times 2 is 4, so I can split my 4, can go to 2 and 2. Can I split 2? Well, 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So when I've got prime numbers at the end, my tree is finished. Okay, then I need to write my thing out as product of primes. And so I need to write it as 5 times 2 times 2. 5 times 2 times 2. My product of primes equals 20. Let's check that. 5 times 2 is 10, times 2 is 20. Excellent. And I just want to change it around. I want to put the 2's at the beginning, the smaller numbers at the beginning. And then, if you know what we're doing here, I'm going to write this 2 times 2 like that. 2 to the power 2, or 2 squared, times 5 equals 20. And that one's done. Okay, we're going to try another one. We're going to try 36. Okay. How can I do 36? Well, 6 times 6 is 36. So I'm going to split my 36 into 6 and 6. How could I do my 6? Maybe I want to go 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 and 3. Split this 6, 2 and 3. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. So they're all prime numbers. So my tree is finished. So then 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is 36. And then 2 times 2 I can write as 2 squared. 3 times 3 I can write as 3 squared equals 36.